In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve the clarity of your layouts and speed up your design process, and the only thing you have to do is click on it. The website Things Organized Neatly is a Webby award-winning Tumblr site which presents images of thoughtfully composed everyday objects, all displayed absolutely beautiful. And one of the reasons why these kinds of images and therefore the blog itself became so successful is the structure and alignment of these objects. And we can apply the same tricks to our layouts to give them a chance to become award-winning as well. Whether you are in Photoshop, Indesign, Illustrator, or even Powerpiont, we always start with a blank page and then carefully drop in all the design elements like headlines, subheadlines, copy text, images, and other design elements. And then we try to use hierarchy and different types of typography and color to give our design sense and make it as pleasant as possible to the viewer's eyes without destroying the underlying concept. And when we're done with it, the only thing which really holds everything together is alignment. It helps to place the elements in the right proportion, supports the hierarchy, and glues all the different elements together. Unfortunately, as is often the case in design, it only becomes apparent when it's not been applied properly. And this one thing can really make the difference between a beginner layout and a professional one. There are a few ways how you can actually execute alignment within your design. You can use the smart guides. If not enabled by default, you can find them under View, Grids and Guides, and Smart Guides, and then just snap all the elements into place, which works perfectly fine, but there's always a small margin for errors, and it takes more time and concentration, which you can better spend on perfectionizing your layout. If you feel really rebellious, you can just align all the elements by eye, or you can use the simplest and yet most effective tool which is available in nearly every program, the Align tool. And if you're in InDesign, you can find it under Window, Object, and Align. And what I do is to take the Align window and actually clip it to my typography tab. That way I only have to remember the shortcut Command T, and all of my most important tools appear or hide at the same time. When you are in the Align window, you can choose from different alignment options like left, center, right, and the tool which I'm using most lately is the Distribute Evenly option. And the first three are really self-explanatory. You select all your elements you want to align, choose whether you want to sort them left, center, or right. Then you can select your base alignment, so what you're actually aligning to, and then just click. When you want to spread out elements evenly, for example, when you want to space out images and have the same distance between every image, you just have to place your beginning object on one side and your end object on the other one. Just select all objects and click. This simple yet most effective tool is available in nearly every program out there. You can use it in InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop obviously, but you could also use it in PowerPoint or even in Word documents. And it can help you to produce clean layouts every single time just with one click. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy the other video of me as well, where I talk about my 5 favorite uncommon inspiration websites. I appreciate every single one of you, and cheers for watching.